my name is Sophia, and as I can see, you're back on our channel. Congrats! And today we're going to be showing you an experiment that includes microscopes and some really cool things. So I can't wait to show you this. Why do we put the telescope here, you may be wondering? Well, I feel like isolation has learned all of us that just because one door closes doesn't mean that another door isn't going to open. So, since we have a telescope, we can watch the night sky when it turns dark. So, right now we can't, it's still beautiful outside, but when the night falls, we can do that. So, I'm just going to move over here and show you what I first had in mind. So, this is a microscope, and we're going to be using it today to show you some of these products. This is sugar, this is yeast. By the way, if you don't know what yeast is, it's for making bread. This is sea sand from Lido Diesel, and this is sea salt that you put in your bath water when you take a shower. So, first of all, we're going to be taking this microscope, and first of all, we're going to be turning up these lights so that we can actually see it better. Here is the program. It is called Tube View. You just click here and it connects to the camera on the microscope, and then you can just show what this looks like. So I'm just going to put it here. We might have to be able to focus. I mean, it should be able to focus. Just a moment. Oh, it's stuck. 1 second. Okay. I think we should be able to see something right now. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is sugar. We have it right here. So we're just going to dip it in. As you can see, it kind of looks like ice. I'm moving it around, that's why it's moving. And it looks really nice, it looks really interesting. This is yeast. As I said before, it's used for making bread. And it's kind of like tube shaped, which is really weird for me. I haven't really seen that before, so it's like really cool. Then we have sea sand, which I don't know if you can see. I think you can. Yeah, you can. There you go. You can see it's super interesting. And last but definitely not least, we have sea salt, which looks like little crystals. So I'm moving it around because they're quite fragile, so they can't really be kept at once, as you can see. So it looks really interesting. It's really fun. And yeah, this microscope is really useful, so I really like it. So, of course, we can't forget the part in the video where we talk about writers and books and movies that were made in isolation. So, today we're talking about Pushkin. He was in isolation in 1827, which was cholera, and he wrote some of his greatest books, including this one.